You accept that Alkaline is ahead right
no,
now?
you have to accept that. You have to know, say right now, we talk facts. You understand? If I'm a cartel Alkaline, I'm over there right now.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
You don't know Media Fox there. You don't know say I laugh at Gil there. So people, we see Masicka cousin aka Vlogga. I ain't call him foolish youth. Him put up tally. Him design something. I know who designed this. Him put Alkaline as eagle, cartel as frog, and the crocodile. See? So look here now, look where my post up, look where I write. Masicka had the hits in 2025 while Alkaline lost his dancehall key. Right? And cartel had to call on God to get hit. So look here now, him put up Alkaline, still searching. See? 0%. Look what himself in Masicka now. Here it sang them. Rich Sex. Keys. This after Alkaline key man, you know. I'm not matter about Alkaline now. It's Uno can go on. See? 2026, we are gonna see what we're going for Uno now. Same say Rich Sex, Keys, Death Row. People. I tell you say yo, them crooks man, you know. They're sick in them, you know. You see that's why Masicka can him career just there one place as Jamaica people. Every day have the most hits. But when you check, how can a man have the most hits for the year and him couldn't even headline a show for himself? Him couldn't even pull 10,000 people. Tell me, you know, people, this makes sense? For a man we have dropped so much hits, him should see it. It should you understand? Bro, every day them man get up and fabricate things. The man say Rich Sex, Keys. Cause after Alkaline job key man, him go name one song named Keys. See? And then him said Death Row, that are the song where when sing for Tamale. Death Row it song? People, want ask you. Death Row it song. Yo dog, me I tell it right. Yo dog, yo to the then him say mute. Then him say system. System. Where when him call out card, that a it song, brother. Yo, dog, man, tell it to rotted. Then him say Whites. Wait there. When Whites drop? Whites and dropping at 2024. So how comes it fall over in 2025? I don't understand that, brother. That don't make no sense. Then him say Autocrat. Brother, Autocrat is not no hit song, brother. Bro, me see why Masicka can reach certain levels, bro. Uno make him feel like say, yo, them have some hit song, and then when him go over in America and these places go perform, everybody does stand up right there, so look upon him. Uno not realize, bro. Uno say Masicka get the most hits. But when you check it, I'll be a Jamaica chart him depend. Then they sound like hot song to me. Better you say hot. Masicka get so much hit all long. And Masicka cannot pull a big crowd for himself. How arena talk go on a Masicka night? How can somebody get so many hit songs? And we're not seeing the impact. We're not seeing the impact, bro. The whole of this year, Cartel do show arena, Alkaline do arena, Movado them, Idonia them, I do them arena. How Masicka cannot do it for himself? But he's the one giving all these hits. So-called hit songs. When them a hot song, bro. Because the whole of them a chart at Jamaica them and the brother. You understand? Remember one night time when the man must say yo, one bag of hits and when the man go over in a BRT. The BRT show. The people them stand up. Nah move ya wonder walk one. This is a problem over the years, right? Where Masicka biggest song is They Don't Know. It don't even hit. I don't think it hit 50 million yet. Right? And every day them man say, yo, you know, say a them fool Masicka. That's why when Masicka sit down on the van back with you know. See? When Masicka sit down on the van back with you, he must say, yo, who have the hits them? Only him. Brother, remember, you know, the Gaza people them pull the plug on you know. You understand? The Gaza thing pull the plug on you now. Cause remember say, the Gaza thing that give the strength, brother. You understand? Remember that. So in a 2026, we're gonna see what going on. You understand? Because we not call some song we not talk about it's not about death row and keys and system and autocrat. Yeah, whites are it's but whites drop in a 2024. You understand? Whites never drop in a no 2025. So I don't know now add songs. And the man I go say Masicka EP when him drop a 10 out of 10. Brother, I tell you, this is Crux fans. I uno make Masicka no reach him for reach. Because you know make him feel like say things are going when it's not. You understand? And down the line, not gonna realize because look at now, the guys are now with Uno. Now Uno solo by yourself now. Cause look at the album them only usually drop. You not gonna get spice on it. You maybe not get popcorn. Certain artists are pull away from you now, you know. That's why your EP not gonna win, you know. Because your two album them when you drop, you get a big strength on them. Big collab, everything. You realize with the EP now, nothing is there. Make sure say the album the way you get is not a solo album. Because you not get no more Gaza strength. And a lot of artists now go and collab with you. Me I tell you that, brother. So make them go on, you know, because them don't know it song from hot song, you know. Them don't know. Over the years, Masicka been getting hot songs. You understand? Masicka pulling biggest crowd them when him there at Jamaica. And majority of the show them what him do, right? Majority of the show them what him do, what you see him do. Those are annual events like Suns, BRT, all of these streets, all of them people that have them fans already. It's not like you have like cartel show where you know say yo, yeah, pull or Alkaline show, new rules where you know say Alkaline. You don't really have no crooks if you say yo a demo pull this or that. You understand? The only arena, two arena Masicka do. Two something them do last year, arena. And one of them, the first one, Movado Idonia him. When Bounty, seeing Bounty show, right? When Bounty headline it. And then you have him go up on Cartel show in Atlanta. Cartel call him up. Right? Him not headline nothing. So right now, a Bounty alone depend him side. But Bounty can't save him. Bounty can't save him. I'm tell you what, a mash up Masicka thing right now. Him not no patience. That time problem. He may come out in the media, yo, who got to eat them? Only me, this, that, Ray. That's why. You understand? Him not have no patience in his music. None. No patience. That's why I'm saying him done the Caribbean. Say him feel like him done the Caribbean and him need to go international. Or if you done the Caribbean and you still a chart only in a Jamaica, brother. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Because me tell you now already, bro. Masicka can never reach Alkaline level, bro. It's like you don't realize. Masicka was from 2015, right? 2025, we're gone. At 10 years. Right? 10 years. And Masicka biggest song. And they don't know. Following up to Whites. Seeing? You know, hit over 50 million. Seeing? Masicka, now headline no show. We are talking about major shows. We don't know Masicka has no huge crowd puller. So how comes a man wanna say I drop these hundreds of hits? We're not seeing the result. Remember one time in the people, when them say Masicka drop a hits and Ray, Masicka do a show with Akon. Right? And about less than 200 people followed out in a mobile. Them not talk about it. Them hide it. Them hide it. He must perform in front of that 200 crowd there. Masicka dep on the flyer for you know Akon and to promote and everything. If I see that, I know say yo, Masicka is not that guy. After 10 years and less than 200 people are come see you. Joke thing that. Joke thing that, brother. After 10 years in your career, because 2025 would have been 10 years Masicka established, getting break, right? And you're telling me him signed to a label, international label. Sometimes I tell the people already, the Def Jam when Masicka signed with, a Jamaica it locate. There is no way a youth sign and 10-year in him career, him still a chart in a Jamaica. It now make no sense, people. It don't make any sense. Because it song is a it song, it a reach out there. Cause when him go over so and I sing the same song them, it's a different thing. We see that in a BRT, a lot of shows where him go, we see the effect. You understand? And the only song him get a big reel with is Whites. Whites alone make him get that big reel in there. You understand? Whites alone. Masicka not reach a level there yet, bro. That's why you see Masicka na headline, arenas and all of them. For sure, yo. Masicka are from 2015, dog. 10 years in the game. I tell you, so you get 10 years, a decade, you get a decade to build a column in a dancehall. If you don't, you get knocked. Because every 10 years, the generation change. The generation change every 10 years. Right? So if you don't get that sorted out, you get knocked. So when you hype up Masicka and this and that, the Gaza thing did give him the strength. Right? And a lot of people been giving Masicka strength. We don't see, especially in them albums, we don't see him true potential. I tell people already, we have to see you on your project. The only project we can say Masicka do, and it still don't do anything. You understand? Him don't get no hit song out of it. And it's an EP. See? We don't know no numbers, it never chart no way. We don't know how much sales, we don't know how much it sell. Right? For sure, yo. This man signed to a major label and an EP drop. And the man not hit no billboard, the man not hit no, what do you call it? Him not get no numbers. And you're telling me, I said this a man a drop hits and this and that and way. I understand, bro. Uno, as the crux, Uno, I make Masicka career fall short. I remember me the facts tell you already. You see him energy, wanna push, brother. It go sink Masicka career. May I tell you that. Because 10 years past, 11 years ago now, right? And he has not achieved that caliber yet. You see, after 10 years and you build that huge catalog, we're supposed to see it in the shows. Masicka songs die out each time, each year. You understand? The song them in a 2015, maybe 2016, 2017, them song there is like enough people wouldn't know. People remember the little album song them, yeah, 438. But you see before that, no. It wasn't there. From 2015 to 2020. No, from 2015 to about when him do Infrared with Cartel. Them sang there before. It's like it wouldn't in nobody mind right now. After 10 years, Masicka get Whites. Right now, Whites bigger than They Don't Know. But They Don't Know have more numbers. But Whites bigger than They Don't Know. So you're telling me after 10 years, you're just getting that type of song? After 10 years, you're getting that type of songs. And tell me why. It's because you're signed to an international label, which you're still charting in Jamaica. I'm telling you already, you have a rope around Masicka and just lead him down there in the gutters. I don't realize what I'm going, bro. Because in him ears, I make him feel like, say, yeah, me are the man, me a job that eats them. When him go out there in the world, nobody knows these songs. When him a sing it, I must say, yo, what this? Anyway, I'm going him sing Whites, them we sing Whites. If you check all the clippings and show them always clip out that when him had the Whites, the crowd real. But check the songs them from 2015, all them sang there to now. The crowd just stand up dead stiff, now move. You understand? Cause when you live in a, I don't know, when you live in a type of world, bro, I don't realize what I go on. But 2026, I got exposed, Remember say Gaza no walk with Uno in a 2026 them left Uno from December. You understand? So it crux them now. Yeah man, we not drop the hits them. Let's see what I go on. You understand? Make we see what I go on now. You understand? Yeah, cause them say yo, who can hear now? Career go feel it. Yeah, tell you that. But people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know a thing, you know. Yeah man. I want media facts, man. That is it.